This is our technical department where all the production starts and where the customer requirements are translated into actionable production instructions, and where we deeply analyze the feasibility of every process, and where we study the possible solution to avoid production problem, and where we made some researches about our product to develop a new solution and to propose alternative solution to customers' requirements. So here we work strictly and closely to the other departments, with the sales, where the information needed for the production comes, and with the production and with the reviewing department to be sure that every product that we produce is of high quality and that satisfy customer requirements.